Well, you had a good time in the Isle of Man?
Oh, I had a wonderful time, absolutely wonderful, just really interesting and beautiful. Everybody's been very, very friendly, so no, it's
Yeah,
been great.
yeah, and there's a good crowd here, and so
Oh, great
yeah,
crowd.
it was lovely. Yeah, and just I suppose from our point of view, I was sort of saying it's good to have, for people to find out about something different because they're not really aware. The sort of, and certainly the issues you face really, and it puts things in perspective, but also enthusiasm. So I'd like to thank you for your enthusiasm
Oh,
as much
not
as
a problem at all.
so that's hopefully we've got people going away now really enthused about the sort of stuff we do here really, but and hopefully it's it'd be good to sort of develop a relationship between Culture Van and tourists really, because I think there's a lot we can learn
Yeah,
from you.
we're very keen on that, and I mean, coming here this past couple of days has been fantastic. Just seeing what's going on in the island and what you are doing yourselves and your teaching methods, and also we're going back really enthused and inspired. No, it's fantastic.
Yeah. And where's the next step for tourists then? Where
Well,
are you going from here?
we are wanting to work on new methods of teaching, so that's definitely going to happen. But for us, the big thing is to look at a nursery school.
Yeah.
We want to see about starting to get more children and more young people involved. We're going to be busy when we go back because new classes will be starting up again mid-September, and we'll be rolling that out again. So we're starting to publicise them and get as many people as possible involved. And what's been interesting for us recently is the Irish Language Act, and all the talk around that has created a bit of hostility and some issues, but it's also creating even more curiosity because the Irish language is just all over the news at the minute, all over the media. So we're getting more and more phone calls from people saying, I'm thinking about coming and learning a bit of Irish. Have you got classes? So we're expecting a big crowd in September.
Good. Well, I'll be over sometime because it'll be good to, strengthen that relationship really, because I think we can all sort of gain sort of strength from I suppose language is about community ultimately, isn't it really?
Yeah, absolutely.
I suppose what we do is to try and look at it. That's the best thing, regardless of teaching methods. If people have a sense of this is about community, and I think that they're more likely to learn. So it'd be good to develop those community relations, not just in the Isle of Man, but between the Isle of Man and the work you do.
Yeah,
so
totally.
Good in mind. So I'll see you in Belfast and hopefully back here sometime.
You will. That's a promise.
Excellent.
Thank you, Adrian. Okay, Adrian.